am Smriti Shetty of Class 8. Firstly, I would like to begin by thanking Chitrakoota Management, Chairman, Principal and Vice Principal for conducting the expert workshop that took place in the previous week. It was about the topic value of money. We got to learn so much in this workshop. Firstly, we learned what's the meaning of money, what's the meaning of value. Then we got to know what's the value of money. Then we learned about the evolution of money, how money was used in those days, what were used as money, what was so valuable like money in those days, and all of that. We also learned about the economical terms like inflation, deflation, and much more. We also learned why should we save money, why are we not supposed to waste it, and how can we save money, why is it so important, how will it help in our future. That was the main thing. This workshop was mainly hosted by Girish sir, and I thank him so much for taking so much of time, effort and patience to teach us. He taught us this concept so clearly and effectively by making us do so many activities as well. Thank you so much.